Oh, yoga ball right there and half ball right here. You get the half ball, 25-inch half ball right here. This one is perfect for your stability workouts. Check this out. Right here, you can stand on it. You can do your yoga pose on it. It's super awesome for the extra stable balance right here. Very, very effective at working out. Or you can use it upside down like this. You have some handles right here to do some push-ups on this thing. Super effective because you're working out all your muscles to balance yourself, and this is super effective at your arms, your core, your bicep, your chest, your back, everything. Very effective workout. Not only that, this kit comes with a yoga ball, dome ball right here, and you also have resistance bands which you can tie onto this thing to do your exercises, your curls, find that balance, and hold. Right there. Everything you need to work out. Oh yeah.